This case study is for a Fortune 200 food and beverage company that wanted to produce a new ultra premium juice or UPJ product they had never made before. The ultra premium juices are more expensive than traditional juices due to their high nutritional content. This is a result of using fresh from the farm ingredients and using high pressure pasteurization rather than the traditional heat pasteurization. Due to the high pH value of vegetable ingredients, high pressure pasteurization process, and containing no preservatives, this new UPJ product has a lot of food safety issues and requirements. Ingredients, whipped product, and finished products all have very strict expiration, temperature, and handling requirements. The high pressure pasteurization process, or HPP, requires the bottled product to be exposed to extremely high pressures of around 80,000 psi. This required shipping the bottled product to a different facility and running it through specialized HPP equipment within 24 hours from when a batch is first mixed. Monitoring the temperature, checking the expiration time, and recording tracking information became a complex process. The company decided to use full electronic monitoring of the food safety parameters and tracking of ingredients, whipped, and finished product for quality and recall purposes. A combination of barcode, RFID tags, Bluetooth technology, along with manufacturing operations management software were chosen to track these critical requirements. This system architecture diagram on the right gives you an overview of how the MOM software tied everything together and allowed an interface to their ERP system. As you can see from the product flow diagram, there are many steps required to make UPJ product. Each of these steps have critical data recording and traceability requirements. It all starts with the farms that provide the vegetable ingredients. This diagram only shows one in green in the upper left-hand corner, but the supply chain included multiple vegetable providers. Each of these vegetable producers are equipped with RFID label printers that encode the grower, the lot, and the expiration information into every box of fresh vegetables. An automated RFID reader system at the main production facility in red would verify the freshness of every vegetable box and track lot information as the vegetables are consumed. The pre-weighing of ingredients and multiple vessels used to prepare and mix the ingredients added to the complexity of the traceability requirements. Eventually, the juice ends up in a finished bottle at the main production facility, but they are still not ready to drink. They need to be pasteurized. So these whipped bottles are shipped to the co-packer facility in yellow. Here again, lot numbers and whip expiration dates are validated using RFID tags. Finally, the bottles are run through an HPP process and are packaged in finished cases for shipment to the warehouse. This requires more data recording and tracing, including interface to their WMS system. And even when the product reaches the warehouse shelves, the data recording is not complete. The system must also verify the finished product is maintained at the proper temperatures within the warehouse. As you can hopefully see, this UPJ product required a lot of data recording and correlation of data. Using electronic MOM solution to record this data provided many advantages, as you can see on the left. If the company received a consumer complaint about a specific bottle of juice from a store, all the information to check batch process parameters, ingredients, lot information, and processing times could be easily retrieved from the MOM system database. In the same way, if a vegetable supplier indicated there was a quality or safety issue with one of the vegetables, the system could show all the finished product bottles that consume that same lot of raw ingredients. From this slide, you can see many of the other advantages that an electronic tracking system provided. For this customer, one of the nicest features was that all the recorded data could be monitored and viewed from any location with just a web browser through one internal website rather than sorting through filing cabinets of paperwork. It did not matter if you were responsible for raw ingredients receiving and inventory, needed to check batch process quality information, were at the co-packer and wanted to know what product is headed your way, or at a warehouse and checking on finished cases. You could go to one internal website to find all your information.